Hey everybody, it's Morty with the DBOC crew. We told y'all we were going to share a little bit of information with y'all to help you be better surf fishermen, well, and women, let's not forget about the women out there, that might help you produce a little bit more fish and catch a few more fish in the surf. Today, well, we're going to talk about the weather. It's overcast, winds out of the east, 10 to 15, and we got a front pushing through. Got rain behind us. We figured we'd do a little bit of filming before the front came through. Today we're going to talk about the pressure, barometric pressure, low pressure versus high pressure, and how it affects the feeding habits of fish. Since I was a little kid, I'd love to get out in big weather, rain, wind, big surf, and it seemed like I always produced. It's not because I like to get wet, it just seems like I caught more fish, and I never understood why until just a few years ago. I read an article done by a university down south, and they did a study on how fish feed on high pressure versus low pressure. Interestingly enough, the high pressure actually affects the swim bladder in a fish. There's gas inside that swim bladder, inside that fish, and when the high pressure moves in, the gas actually expands and it actually pushes on that stomach. Well, the fish actually loses the appetite during a high pressure when that swim bladder is pushing on the stomach. Versus a low pressure, when a low pressure moves in, what you've got there is the swim bladder is actually decreasing in size. It's actually expelling some of that gas, and the stomach is able to, well, expand a little bit, giving the fish a little bit of an appetite. I really never understood why, and that's the reason why. A lot of you guys are going to say, yeah, I know all about this, I know about that. But this is for you guys out there, and girls, that really didn't understand why fish bite during a low pressure system versus a high pressure system. Now, this isn't going to work all the time. We don't like fishing on bluebird days, and well, those bluebird days are, it's sunny, not a cloud in the sky, 5 to 10 mile an hour winds. You're going to catch fish. But when you've got a front pushing through like this, the surf's a little rough, you've got wind blowing out of the east, you've got a front pushing through, barometers dropping, get out there and fish, folks. I'm telling you, it's going to happen. Give you a perfect example. How many hunters we got out there? Well, during the wintertime, you guys are out there looking for deer, can't wait for a storm to move through, can't wait for it to start snowing. Well, guess what? That's that barometric pressure dropping for you guys. Ain't no different. Old school guys, yeah, I got a little bit of gray in here. I listen to the old guys. I'm getting old myself. But those old guys would say, oh my God, look at all the blackbirds in the field foraging before a storm. We must have a bad storm coming. That barometer's falling, folks. That's when the fish are biting. Fish are no different than any other animal. They're going to forage for food as that barometer's dropping. We hope some of this information helps y'all. And just to prove our point, we've only been here for about I'd say maybe about 10 minutes. First rod in the water. Here it is, folks. Get out there on a low pressure system, get off the couch, get some rain gear, get the bibs on, bait a line, throw it out there, get wet, and tight lines, everybody. We hope some of this information helps you all. Hope to see you all in the surf. Good luck.